vaccination drive that is now underway for those who are aged 15 to 17. This, remember, comes amid a surge of cases of COVID across the country at this point. The 15-plus age group is being administered Covaxin in 2 doses. Those born in 2007 and before are now eligible for the vaccine. Out of 7.4 crore eligible teens, about 16.85 lakh have been vaccinated and nearly 27 lakh have registered themselves on CoWIN for now. Meanwhile, let's get you some ground reports from some of the cities here. There are 9 jumbo centers across Mumbai where vaccination is being administered to teens. Myrna, in fact, visited a jumbo center in BKC on the process of the preparations done. And from the registration counter, the waiting area, observation room, everything has been clearly demarcated to help guide all those teens who are coming in to get jabbed. Take a look.
This is the center where children will get their jab. First up, that's the registration counter. There are about 5 units that will be operational starting today is what we understand. And if we go just a bit of ahead, we can already see that how children have started getting themselves registered. So the ones who have already pre-registered on the CoWIN app, they just have to show the form of the ID, the appointment letter, and they are through. And for the ones who are doing the on-spot registration, they have to have, either one of the government ID or the student card. And most importantly, the parents' consent in both the registrations is compulsory. The parent also has to be there with the child whenever the vaccination process is taking place. So this is a waiting area where, after registration, the children will have to wait here, is what we understand. And now we will just walk you to the place where the children are getting the jab. So these are the 5 such sections that have been made, 5 such rooms where the children will get their jab. So Covaxin is the vaccine that the children between this age group will really get, and the BMC says they have enough stock to actually take place for the next couple of days. So here the vaccination is going on of a student, and what we understand that having, of course, the parents' consent is really, really important. We can see the parent of the child waiting outside as well. Before, without having parents, the center is not allowing, and they are actually waiting. So here is the child who is, ready to be jabbed, and Covaxin is the only vaccine that will be administered to them at this point in time. And here, of course, all the details will be authenticated, and of course they will be given a token number, and this is how usually the process is, which goes all the time. As far as Mumbai is concerned, there are about over 9 lakh children who are eligible, and what we understand that few of them have already made registrations on the CoWIN app, and few of them prefer, of course, coming and doing the on-spot registrations. And when we spoke to the children before, they said that they're not really quite worried about that, and they are keeping in mind the COVID cases and how the situation is going, and the cases are increasing. They are quite happy to be vaccinated, and this is the vulnerable age group is what we can say. And you can see that how here the child has got his jab done. And we have seen, before as well, a lot of children have been jabbed as well. Let's just take his reaction per se, to talk up. How do you feel? You're getting vaccinated. How do you feel you're getting vaccinated, and what were the thoughts? Aapka thoughts kya tha yahan pe aane se pehle? Were you scared, keeping in mind COVID cases बढ़ रहे हैं?
No, I was not scared, but yeah, I was pretty. I had decided that I'm going to take this vaccine.
You're going to
Yeah, and it didn't feel a lot. It didn't feel.
It didn't feel a lot?
No.
Okay, thank you so much. So, the children here, they are pretty much, excited to be jabbed. So, these are the stickers that you see. This is a pink sticker. which directs the children to the observation area, and this is a green sticker which directs the children to the units where they have to go for the jab. So this is the way they have done. That's the pediatric ward, which is the observation area where the children who have been jabbed, they can go and sit there for 30 minutes. And if at all, if there are any reactions, there are beds like this, and there is a equal amount of room as well, emergency room, where they can be treated. So in Mumbai, these are the preparations, especially in the 9 jumbo centers, is what we understand. And going forward, BMC also plans that, looking at the response in this week, they also plan to extend this vaccination to the schools and junior colleges as well. With video journalist George, this is Isha Shah reporting here from Mirror Now from Mumbai.
I am a bit relieved that now that we take vaccine, will be a bit safe because Omicron is rising, so it's a good thing.
अगर आपसे बात करें, like how she said, what are your thoughts, of COVID vaccination, of getting vaccinated? कोवैक्सीन आपको मिल रहा है. What are your thoughts before coming here at the center? आपके पेरेंट्स ने encourage किया, awareness schools ने किया या colleges ने किया?
Parents encouraged me and I'm a little bit nervous.
अभी तो मेरे को वैक्सीन अभी मैंने लिया, पर उन्होंने इतना मेरे को बातों बातों में ये कर दिया कि मेरे को पता भी नहीं चला. और वैक्सीन एनकरेज किया मेरे सिस्टर ने, एक्चुअली मेरी एल्डर सिस्टर है अदिति, उसने मेरा सब अपॉइंटमेंट बुक किया. वो ही पीछे पड़ी थी कि ले ले, क्योंकि बाद में मैं 10th स्टैंडर्ड में हूँ. बोर्ड्स के टाइम पे अगर तभी कंपलसरी किया तो तभी मिलने का चांसेस कम है. तो अभी ले लिया तो अच्छा है. और टीचर्स ने भी बोला था कि स्कूल में मिलेगा, पर स्कूल का इंतजार क्यों करे, तो अभी मैंने ले लिया. तो टीचर ने भी बोला कि ले लो, अच्छा है.
From Mumbai, let's go to Delhi and take a look at this ground report from Sir Gangaram Hospital on the vaccine rollout for the age group of 15 to 17.
Rollout for the vaccination of kids. The teenager age between 15 to 18 has started in the national capital. Today is the first day. I'm showing you the visual inside the hospital Gangaram, which is one of the biggest private hospital of the national capital. Here, this is the waiting area, which is set up over here. There you can see that the chairs are kept over here. If you get inside, you can see the vaccination center. This is the main center of the vaccination. Here you can see the whole process. First, you have to get registered. In fact, there are two processes of getting registered. One is the CoWIN app through online, and the second is you can do the walk-in as well. So walk-in registration is also available over here, and you can see at one place there is the injection process that you will get vaccinated. There is another room. There is the observation room, which is over there, and you will be allowed to sit for half an hour. In fact, the hospital administration and in fact the government has requested the parents, the children, to come with their parents as well. Let me talk to the in charge of this particular vaccination drive. Ma'am, आप यहाँ पर सारा चीज़ देख रही हैं, क्या प्रोसेस रखा गया है? कोई ऐसा चीज़ है जो डिफरेंट है एज फार एज दी एडल्ट्स का जब वैक्सीनेशन हो रहा था उनका और अभी में बच्चों के में?
वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि यहाँ पे बहुत क्राउड आना चाहिए, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स काफ़ी अप्रीहेंसिव हैं कि स्कूल्स खुल रहे हैं, ओमिक्रॉन है, एंड मोरोवर वो चाहते हैं कि बच्चे इंडोर से आउटडोर जाए, तो दे वांट कि चिल्ड्रंस वैक्सीनेट हो. इसीलिए वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग मोर क्राउड. फॉर दैट वी हैव मेड एन अरेंजमेंट. वी हैव मेड अ सच अ बिग वेटिंग एरिया फर्स्ट and separate billing and portal for the co-vaccine for children's. And then firstly they will go for the billing, then portal, then vaccination over here for co-vaccine. And you can move out.
Yes. ठीक है. Okay.
We have made such a huge observation room also for the children for 15 to 18. That is a separate one. This one.
Okay.
And if any adverse reaction happens, if any adverse reaction happens, we are prepared for that. We have made an arrangement for this crash cart, trolley, and one doctor will be sitting here.
Okay. So this is what the process is. Ma'am, one day how many vaccination you are expecting in your hospital? कितना vaccination का आपने idea लगाया है, या कितना आप लोगों ने रखा है dose एक दिन में?
See, portal has given us 2 options.
Okay.
ठीक है, one is with site registration, and other thing is they can come walk in. So we are expecting the children will come walk in more, because at our center हमारा जो रजिस्ट्रेशन हुआ है वो सिर्फ 18 लोगों का हुआ है, बट वॉक इन अभी भी जितने भी आए हैं हमारे पास वॉक इन ज़्यादा है, रजिस्ट्रेशन वाले कम है. मोर ओवर हम लोग 150 का हमने स्लॉट बना के रखा है उनका आज का. बाकी जैसे जैसे मूवमेंट होगी, जैसे जैसे क्राउड आएगा हम इंक्रीज कर देंगे. वी आर फुल्ली इक्विप्ड विद वैक्सीनेशन.
Fully equipped with vaccination. So this is what at one of the hospital the report is. Definitely all the hospital, around 150 centers are there in the national capital, where in the private hospital as well as in the government hospital. 10 lakh teenagers. This is the crowd. This is the population of the children between age between 15 to 18 years. So in how many days it will be completed, that we have yet to see. But the vaccination in the national capital has already started. With video journalist Ajaz Hussain, I am Alok from Mirror Now.
In fact, we also spoke to some of the teens as well as some of their parents on how they feel about their children getting jabbed after such a long wait. Listen in.
मैम ये बताइए कि आपने बच्चे को लेकर क्या है वैक्सीनेशन के लिए, हाउ इज़ द रिस्पांस, मतलब बेसिकली गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से जो आप लोग को मिलना चाहिए उस तरीके से फीडबैक मिल रहा है, और आप लोग किस तरीके से वैक्सीनेशन प्रोसेस करवा रहे हो?
नहीं सर, बहुत अच्छा फीडबैक है. मैं तो कब से वेट कर रही थी कि 15+ वालों को लगे, तो मैंने कोविन ऐप में 1 जैन को ही इसका रजिस्ट्रेशन करा दिया था अपने बेटे का. हाँ, आराम से इजीली हो गया. मैंने 9 o'clock से शुरू कर दिया था, तो 11 o'clock तक हो गया था मॉर्निंग में. अच्छा. हाँ जी.
और सेंटर आपका यहीं मिला क्योंकि आप यहीं आसपास रहते हो, तो इसीलिए सेंटर ये सजेस्ट आपसे? अच्छा, सेंटर आपने, लेकिन आपने करा लिया था इसीलिए?
क्योंकि मैं रहती पास में ही हूँ, तो मैंने यहीं पे गंगाराम को प्रेफर करा.
अच्छा, क्या चीज़ का डिमांड उसमें, जो कोविन ऐप में जो आपसे चीज़ें ली गई होंगी, क्या क्या चीज़ मांगी गई?
नहीं सर, कुछ नहीं मांगा, सिर्फ आधार कार्ड मांगा था बच्चे का, वो हमारे पास था बस, और कुछ नहीं मांगा. बच्चे का तो स्कूल की आईडी भी चलेगी अब तो. हाँ जी, ये तो हमें पता है.
कौन से क्लास में पढ़ता है आपका बच्चा?
12th क्लास. हाँ, स्टडी.
तो अभी कैसा लग रहा है वैक्सीन लगने
मुझे
के
तो
बाद?
बहुत अच्छा है कि मैं टेंशन फ्री हो गई हूँ कि मेरे बच्चों को एक फर्स्ट डोज लग गई है. नहीं तो बड़ा था कि बच्चों को बाहर नहीं ले जा सकती थी ये ड्यू टू कोविड.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल योर नेम और कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस. योर सन हैज टेकन द डोज एंड यू आर द फर्स्ट पर्सन. या,
my name is Ritu. I am living in old Rajendra Nagar. It's a good experience actually. मेरा था कि बच्चों को भी लगनी चाहिए क्योंकि पेरेंट्स को तो घर लग चुकी है. देन इफ वी टेक अप, तो बच्चों को बाहर ले जाना, ये करना बहुत इजी रह जाता
और
है ना.
स्कूल वगैरह भी स्टार्ट हो चुके
हाँ.
हैं, तो
यस.
कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ता है?
ही इज़ इन अ फर्स्ट ईयर.
हाँ.
देन आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि मतलब चलो बच्चों का भी वैक्सीनेशन इज स्टार्ट हो गया.
So you came at Gangaram Hospital.
Yes.
In which class do you study, first of all, tell, and how did you feel?
I'm in college first year,
Okay.
doing BCA.
Okay.
I feel good by doing vaccination.
Okay. आपको ये लगा था कि वैक्सीनेशन होना चाहिए, आप लोग को भी ज़रूरत थी, या कभी ऐसा महसूस होता था?
हाँ, होता था कि होना चाहिए.
हाँ. तो अभी आकर के यहाँ पर कैसा लग रहा है, क्या प्रोसीजर आपने अपनाया?
मैंने वो पहले बिलिंग रजिस्ट्रेशन हुई, उसके बाद कोवैक्सीन लगी एंड आधा घंटा ऑब्जर्वेशन में बिठाया.
हाँ.
तो बस
ठीक है. और आगे क्या, मतलब अब आपको लगता है कि यू आर सेफ नाउ?
चांसेस इतने नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी
सेफ लगता है.
यस.